Today we study the animal diversity practical. So in that we study the phylum of Aschelminthes. So let us see, our aim of this practical is that museum study of phylum Aschelminthes. Uh, for example, Ascaris lumbricoid. In this practical, we see the Ascaris lumbricoids. So, let us see what are the Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes are pseudocoelomate, bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, unsegmented vermiform organ system grade of construction with complete digestive tubes. These are called as Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes are the pseudocoelomate, means the false body cavity, then bilaterally symmetrical, then triploblastic means three germ layers are present, unsegmented. Generally, the segments are absent in Aschelminthes. So, and the organ grade system construction with complete digestive tubes. These are called as Aschelminthes. So, let us see the characteristics of phylum Aschelminthes. These are commonly or mostly aquatic, free living, or parasitic. Next characteristic is that they are bilaterally symmetrical, unsegmented worms. The body is slender, vermiform, and usually worm-like or flattened. The Schelminthes are usually small, even microscopic, while some reach a meter or more in their length. They are the triploblastic. Schelminthes are the triploblastic pseudocoelomate with organ system grade of organization. Respiratory and circulatory systems are absent. In Aschelminthes, respiratory and circulatory systems are absent. The excretory system includes a system of canals, that is protonephridia. In some animals are present, and it is for the protonephridia is for the osmoregulation. So the nervous system is of simple and consists of circulometric nerve ring with anterior and posterior longitudinal nerves. The sense organs are in the form of pits, papillae, bristles, and eye spots. They are mostly dioecious. It means that the sexes are separate. Means male and female ascaris are separate. So let us see our example of phylum Aschelminthes, that is Ascaris lumbricoids. So systematic position is that phylum Aschelminthes. Why? Because triploblastic organ grade organization, bilaterally symmetrical, and pseudocoelomate. Class is Nematoda. Order is Ascaroidae. Genus Ascaris, and species is the lumbricoids. So this is the systematic position of phylum, or simply the Ascaris lumbricoid. Now habit and habitat. Habit, habit and habitat. These are occur in intestine of man and pig also. So let us see characteristic or simply the comments on Ascaris lumbricoid is that first is it is commonly known as a roundworm. It shows sexual dimorphism. It means the males are smaller than the females. The male measures near about 15 to 30 centimeter in length with a posterior curve tail, while the female measures 20 to 35 centimeter in length and the posterior end is straight and blunt type. So next characteristic is that the body is elongated and pointed at both ends. The body surface is marked with lines called as mid dorsal line and mid ventral line, and the two lateral lines are present. The mouth is situated at the anterior end, which is guarded by the three lips, where there is no intermediate host in his life history. It means that for completion of its life cycle, there is no intermediate host for the Ascarius. So this, let us see, this is a picture or simply the image of the Ascarius. In this picture, we clearly see that male is smaller than the female, so both sexes are visual to you. Male and female mouth is at uppermost end, then uh, excretory pore is present, then lateral line, then anus, perineal seta in male, in tail portion. So this is a diagram or simply the picture of Ascarius, male and female both. Thank you.